Who as who? Constitutional Head. President exempt. Draupadi Murmu 15th. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar 14th. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi 15th. Judiciary Head. Chief Justice, Supreme Court Sanjeev Khanna 51st. Attorney General of India R. Venkataramani 16th. Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta. Chairperson, National Green Tribunal Prakash Srivastav. Parliamentary Head. Speaker, Rajya Sabha Jagdeep Dhankar. Deputy Speaker, Rajya Sabha Harivansh Narayan Singh. Secretary General, Rajya Sabha Pramod Chandra Modi. Leader of Opposition, Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge. Deputy Leader of the Opposition, Rajya Sabha Pramod Tiwari. Speaker, 18th Lok Sabha Om Birla. Leader of Opposition, Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi. Secretary General, Lok Sabha Utpal Kumar Singh. Election Commission of India. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar 25th. Election Commissioners Ganesh Kumaran, Dr. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Controller and Auditor General. Controller and Auditor General CAG Kundu Sanjay Murthy. Controller General of Accounts CGA Shyam S. Dubey. Armed Forces. Supreme Commander President Draupadi Murmu. Chief of Air Staff Amarpreet Singh 28th. Chief of Naval Staff Dinesh Kumar Tripathi 26th. Chief of Army Staff Upendra Dwivedi 30th. Chief of Defence Staff CDs Anil Chauhan 2nd. Union Cabinet Ministers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Ministry of Defence Rajnath Singh. Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Cooperation Amit Shah. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Jairam Gadkari. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Jagat Prakash Nadda. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer Jagat Prakash Nadda. Ministry of Agriculture or Farmers Welfare Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Ministry of Rural Development Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman. Ministry of External Affairs Dr. Subramanyam Jayashankar. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and Ministry of Power, Manohar Lal. Ministry of Heavy Industries and Ministry of Steel, H. D. Kumaraswamy. Ministry of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal. Ministry of Education Dharmendra Pradhan. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Jitan Ram Manjhi. Ministry of Panchayati Raj Rajiv Ranjan Singh. Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying Rajiv Ranjan Singh. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways Sarbanand Sonowal. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Dr. Virendra Kumar. Ministry of Civil Aviation Kinjarapu Rammohan Naidu. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Pralhad Joshi. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy Pralhad Joshi. Ministry of Tribal Affairs Jewel Oram. Ministry of Textiles Giriraj Singh. Ministry of Railways Ashwani Vaishnav. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Ashwani Vaishnav. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology Ashwani Vaishnav. Ministry of Communications Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region, Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Bhupender Yadav. Ministry of Culture and Ministry of Tourism, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Ministry of Women and Child Development and Purna Devi. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs Kiran Rijiju. Ministry of Minority Affairs Kiran Rijiju. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas Hardeep Singh Puri. Ministry of Labour and Employment Mansukh L. Mandaviya. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Mansukh L. Mandaviya. Ministry of Coal and Mines G. Kishan Reddy. Ministry of Food Processing Industries Chirag Paswan. Ministry of Jal Shakti C.R. Patil. Important appointments. Staff Selection Commission SSC Chairman S. Gopalakrishnan. Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE Chairman Rahul Singh. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India TRAI Chairman, Anil Kumar Lahoti. Defence Research and Development Organisation DRDO. Chairman Dr. Samir V. Kamath. Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO Chairman, Sridhara Panikkar Somanath. Chairperson Railway Board Satish Kumar. Chief Executive Officer CEO Niti Aayog BVR. Subramaniam. Union Public Service Commission UPSC Chairman, Preeti Sudan. 22nd Law Commission, Chairman Justice Ritu Raj Avasthi. Head of International Organizations. United Nations, Secretary General Antonio Guterres, 79th United Nations General Assembly, President, Philmon Yang. World Bank Group, President Ajay Banga, 14th. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF. Executive Director Catherine Russell, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation SAARC. Secretary General Mad Ghulam Sawa. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation BIMSTEC Secretary General, Indra Mani Pandey, India. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO Director General Audrey Azoulay.